Hello children, welcome back. Good morning everyone. Yes, and I'm back with my one more new letter. Letter U. Letter U. I'm going to teach you today letter U, and I'm going to tell you the things which are starting with letter U. Okay? And I'm going to show you also how to write letter U. Okay children? Are you ready? Yes, let us start. U for? Yes, children. Do you have anything in your mind? What is U for? Yes, can you tell me? No? I'll tell you. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Umbrella, a protection against rain or sun. Yes. U for up. Up in the sky. Yes. Up in the sky. Where we can see the stars, moon and sun. Yes, up in the sky. So up means towards a higher place or high. High. Yes. U for under. Under means line or place below or beneath. Yes, under the chair, under the table. Yes, like this. U for uniform. Uniform means having always the same form. Yes, like you wear always while go to school. Yes, uniform. Okay. U for uncle. U for uncle, the brother of a person's father or mother. Okay. U for utensil. U for utensil, a tool or container used in a home and especially in a kitchen. Yes, children. So, today I am going to teach you letter U. Yes. And I am going to show you how to write letter U. Let us start. Okay children, now our story time. Yes. And our today's story name is My Umbrella. Yes. U for umbrella. Yes. Let us start children. Uday says, I wanted to go out of my house. But when I looked up at the sky, it was cloudy. I needed my umbrella. My uncle had bought an umbrella for me. I started looking for it. I went upstairs to my room. I looked everywhere, even under the bed. It was not there. I was unhappy. But then mother found the umbrella and we both went out. Yes. So children, do you like the story? Yes? Very good. Children, let's recall the words which we have gone through the story. Okay? U for umbrella. U for uncle. U for unhappy. U for up. U for upstairs. U for under. Okay children, now I will show you how to write small letter U. Okay. Start from the dot. Come down with the standing line. Then make a small curve. Then go up with the standing line. Then come down with the standing line. Like this. This is how you will write your letter U. For practicing at home, students can use 4-line notebook. Parents can guide by using single dot method so that children can practice on the notebook. Children, don't write your letter from the blue line to red line. That is wrong way. Write your letter from the dot and within the two blue lines. This is the correct way. See how teacher is writing. Within the two blue lines you have to write your letter U. Start from the dot. Yes, this is the way. Okay? Okay children, now our activity time, and today I am going to teach you some drawings from letter U. Yes, small letter U. Okay? Okay children, now first draw U, small letter U like this. Now make one standing line. Yes, like this. Now you can give some umbrella shape like this. Yes. Yes, now do one half circle like this. Correct. Yes, let's do some design on our umbrella. Okay. Yes, like this. Correct. This way you can draw umbrella from small letter U. Okay children? Yes. Children, you can give color to our umbrella like this. Yes. Yes. Now let's draw U for uncle. We are going to draw uncle face. First we have to draw U. Yes. Then draw ears like this. Correct. Now hairs. Yes, this way like this. Yes. Now eyebrows, eyes, nose. Yes, like this. And mouth and neck. Like this we have to draw uncle face, U for uncle. Okay children? Thank you students for watching the video. I hope this was fun, as well as we enjoyed our small story and small drawings. Isn't it children? Yes. Children, make sure you will try the drawings given in this video. Okay? Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.